I'm at Marble Arch, London, and behind me is the Marble Arch, and across is the Frameless, an impressive art experience based on 49 different items of arts built by 29 people. Let me take you inside and show you the Immerse artifact, things which you will never seen before. It is one of the largest sequence based in one place. So let's enjoy it. We're going to see 42 masterpieces in 4 galleries. And behind is a coffee shop. When you enter, you can have a coffee shop. And now I'm going to take you to show those masterpieces in Immerse artifact, which you will enjoy on 4 galleries. And the most important thing is there is an interest time, but you can stay as much time you can. And each and every piece, I'm going to do it in 4 galleries. So let's go and enjoy it inside.
Gallery known as Beyond Reality. And Beyond Reality is about travel beyond boundaries of reality and discover the iconic art that explores others' world, dreams and survival. And these are the pictures which have been converted into the art, which you will be able to see when I take you inside. They're good and iconic. So let's enter the first part, the first gallery, into the reality. And as we walk down, we move into the gallery and see the reality of it. out of the Beyond the Reality gallery. Then attached to it is the reality of color and motion. And it says encounter the brushstrokes within these masterpiece to experience the color in a new way. And these are the pictures which you will experience. I will not be able to show them all of you, but there it is. Edvard hailed the founder of the impressive revolutionary painting outside, and that is what I'm going to show you when I take you inside the gallery to see. So when we walk in the gallery, at the moment I'm in the second gallery, which is known as Beyond Color, and it's a 24-minute session in which you can see the different light colors which will be here, and it's going to change, and the artist is going to present the actual concept how colors combine together to do it. So let's wait and join looking at the light colors which will play an important role in it. Technology, when you walk around on the floor, it basically moves the pattern in a different way, giving kind of understanding of how motion and colors move together. While walking in a forest. The vibrant music of this gallery with the color combination beyond color is what it is, giving a relaxed, mindful moment for an individual to be. And these small patterns join together to make an image. The artists have really played, which cannot be done on canvas. Gallery is joining these bits of colors together to create an image of an individual. We moved out of the second gallery, we moved to what the world is around us. And these are the pictures which we will experience in this gallery. This one is a very iconic picture which I really enjoyed it, featuring the art from the Baroque and the Romantic period. Impressionist and the post-impressionist movement, the world around us leads to a wild adventure that captures the drama, beauty and the physical world. From crashing seas to rusting pastoral scenes, elegant cities of here volcanoes enter the room to escape the journey far from the humdrums of every day. So it's going to something, it's the walk-in. The duration is 17 minutes. Obviously I will not be sharing 17 minutes with you, but the section is the world around us. So let's see what the world around us, and let's enter into a gallery which is going to be an immense, but this seems to be one of the largest galleries there is. And how did the world evolve? this gallery is a bit different. Here, the cameras are in a different section, creating a much bigger area comparatively to the earlier two galleries which I've taken you into. It is all about how the world was created in the world around us. Its combination of the concept which the painter has. This is one of the most iconic pictures which I have seen, and I have liked it. It's beautiful, elegant. Every stroke of the painter shows its beauty, its naturality into it. It's a painting of an artist converted into digital form. Beautiful canvas watching digital. This gallery is the world around us, and in this different steps have been shown. It starts with the farming side, then it goes into development, volcano, people traveling, migration, everything. Reality, 17 minutes program to make people understand what the world is and how the world would look around us. A beautiful concept put together by the artist here, what they want to see and what they want people to understand. Very relaxing place. Every picture has been structured along with certain music which you can hear behind. We're trying, and I'll take you to the next gallery now. This is the last gallery, the Art of Abstraction. And again, our story begins in Sweden 1960, and that's where the abstract art concept came in. And the abstraction which has been made, these painters, in which I will share some of them, can't do all of them. So let's enjoy the Art of Abstraction. Let me walk you in. This session is a duration of 24 minutes as we walk in to see the program. Yeah. And here we go in. Here we enter. It's I'm going to find a place where I can sit and watch and share with you the abstract things. Abstract art is being created by every picture which is being converted into this digital format has its own understanding of the artist's concepts, color combinations, strokes, ideas are something which needs to be understood. I wouldn't say that people cannot understand it, but you have to have an intellectual mind to understand the concepts which the artist would like to present and what basically is embedded in his or her mind when presenting these types of abstract paintings. The canvas has been watered in light with these digital concepts. Abstract art is something difficult for people to understand, as it's considered as a modern art of imagination and concepts which an artist has. Honestly, I am also finding it difficult to understand these concepts. This gallery is a bit different than the other galleries. It's got partitions, and on the partition the abstract art is being shown, which has been done by various artists, and obviously they've been mixed and blended with the music as it's been done in the other thing. So obviously it's all about abstract and abstract concepts being there.
Thank you for being with us. I hope you enjoyed the tour. It's not for everybody, but art has its own beauty. But once in a lifetime, you should visit to understand what it is. Important thing, if you buy a ticket after 6 or as an adult, you can get a much cheaper deal here. So you can get it online for £20. And thank you very much to be with me. Cheers. Bye.